isn't it?
You're telling me.
Well, they want to go back and all. They're outside there. Where am I? I must be somewhere about.
Getting the load on. I'm running down the thing with a bloody fire extinguisher.
Head mark. He'd be. How close Daisy is.
I know.
Now you need to get on your other camera.